And I'm just finishing the crisscross pattern on the top of his head. And I've tried to do what Badass Wood does there, and he uses the side of the bar and goes down and up and down and up and down and up and down and up, and I can't do that yet. So I need to practice on a piece of wood. I just go for it. I've got ADHD, so I tend to make my mistakes as I go rather than practice, and that. I just go for it. And then, so now I've done, this is like my second owl. I've done 3 bears, I've done a mushroom, and I've done an elephant out of maple. I've done an axe out of the smaller bit of this chestnut, a wooden axe. Just keep practicing to there, and I'll hold it with my pinky, ring and middle finger are holding the handle, and thumb and index are just squeezing the trigger a little bit, because this wood, it cuts really easy, so it's like soft wood. So if you go full throttle, it's just taking big chunks out. So I'm just a little bit, little squeeze, and just keep adjusting like yourself, practice, and just keep trying different things. So if you're full revving and it's cutting smooth and it's only cutting little bits, and that's what you want. But if you're full revving and it's taking big fat chunks out, go slower, slow down the speed. How much throttle you're using. And I've freshly sharpened this saw before I did all this as well, so always give it a little sharpen before you're about to go into your detail. Makes things go a lot smoother and easier and more precise. So this is just cleaning up the base a little bit, and next phase is get the Dremel out that I've got to fix, because yet again another bit has got stuck in the collet. So I think I'm going to try and just drill the button out, so I can just put a thin screwdriver through where the button would normally press into the drive shaft. So I don't have a button anymore, and I just put a screwdriver in there whenever I want to loosen it. It's never going to get stuck on there again then. So we'll see how that goes. Might break the Dremel, it might be amazing. There you go. Have fun carving. So I've got all the feathers done on his head, on his wings, his legs, and got the separation between his talons in. Crisscross on there, on the top of his head. The wings, negative space. Negative space. Talons. I'm going to go over them with the Dremel Kutzall Flame Burr Extreme Coarse. Look at that. Piaoliang. Beautiful in Mandarin. Jigashu Piaoliang. This is beautiful. I just need to finish off his face.